your family and friends. Alright, dear students, now what we are going to do today, what things we are going to learn today, can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me? We already discussed about the chapter number 2, food. Chapter number 2, food. What is the chapter? Yes, class 2nd, chapter 2. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is food. The name of the chapter is food, and this is part number 4, which you are going to see. Alright? Okay. So everybody open your EVS book. Take a pencil is in your hand and eraser also. Okay. So once again I am going to revise the entire summary of this chapter, then we will do the exercise. Chapter number 2, food. You have seen already so much videos which is related with this chapter. Alright. So in this chapter what we had discussed, क्या discuss किया? We had discussion on different kinds of food. We had discussion on importance of a balanced diet, and we had discussion on eating manners also. All these discussion we already had in the previous videos. Okay. So I am going to take a small recap today. Then we will do the exercise of the chapter. Alright. Everybody ready? Okay. So we eat food when we will feel hungry, and food gives us energy to work and play, and food helps us to grow our body well, and food keeps us healthy and fit. This is the common things about the food. Okay. Now we can divide food into groups. है ना? जैसे क्लास में, जैसे स्कूल में we can divide the students in the section. There are so many sections of each and every class. So as like we can divide the food item also in the groups. So there are 3 types of food, or different type of food items are there. We can divide into 3 categories. Number 1, energy giving food. Number 2, body building food. Number 3, protective food. Energy giving food means food gives us energy like potato, sugar, bread and cheese. Body building food means we get the strong, healthy, fit body and strong muscles. So body building food means milk, egg and beans. And the protective food means all types of vegetables and all types of fruits will come in this category. Now we had a discussion on the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? And I told you to make a balanced diet chart. मैंने आपको balanced diet chart का चार्ट भी बनाने बोला था, ठीक है? So balanced diet means we will eat all the things in a proper amount, in right amount, a proper amount. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बहुत सारा पनीर खा लिया लेकिन दूध नहीं पिया, बहुत सारा चीज खा लिया लेकिन घी या बटर नहीं खाया, ठीक है? So we have to eat all the things in a very proper amount, in a very proper amount. Okay? So balanced diet का भी discussion we had done. Then water. Water played a very important role in balanced diet, because when we will drink plenty of water, our stomach will clean nicely and we will not fall sick. Then salad. Salad means the roughest part of our diet. And when we will eat the raw vegetables and fruits, our stomach will clean. It helps to clean the stomach and we will not fall sick. Okay. Then we had a discussion about the vegetarian people, about the non-vegetarian and vegans. Vegetarian means those who are eating all the fruits and vegetables, but they will not eat fish, meat, eggs, and they will eat the animal product. Milk product तो वो लेते हैं लेकिन वो मीट मटन नहीं खाते. Then vegetarian means those who eat vegetables, fruits, as well as they will eat eggs, fish and meat also. And vegan, this is new category. Vegan means people those who eat only fruits and vegetables. They will not eat the milk product because milk product is providing by the animals. गाय दूध देती है, भैंस दूध देती है, ठीक है. And that milk, उस मिल्क से क्या बनता है? उस मिल्क से सारे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं. So people those who are not eating the milk product, those who are not eating the animal product, those who are not using the animal as a source of food, they are called vegans. Then we had discussion on meal timing. So there are 3 fixed meal timing: breakfast, lunch and dinner. ठीक है. Then we had discussion on smart eating habits. Always wash your hands regular basis. Do not spoil food. Take much that food that you can finish it, है ना. Chew your food well, eat slowly and drink plenty of water. This is all smart eating habits. Now how food reaches us, खाना हम तक कैसे पहुंचता है. So did you know that food reaches, process is very difficult. Farmer grow the crops in their field, farmer sow the seeds, then that crops will ready, then farmer will cut that crop and keep and kept into the sack, then it will take all the crops into the market and their shopkeeper will buy all these things. Then your mama or papa, anybody can go to the shopkeeper and buy the grocery, and then your mama is preparing food for you. And rice is the most grown crop in all over the world. This is the important information. Keep that information is in your mind. Okay. So this is time to do. This is all about the exercise. This is all about the exercise. Now it is time to write the new words of the chapter. So open your EVS book and write chapter number 2, food, and your heading is new words. New words. Okay, so write word number 1. Number 1, energy. Number 1, energy. Number 2, growing. Number 2, growing. Number 3, healthy and fit. Yes, then number 3, Number 9, non-vegetarian. Number 10, vegan. Number 11, sack. Okay, so these are the new words. There are 9 new words. Note down. Number 1, energy. Number 2, growing, healthy and fit, energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective, balanced diet, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan and sack. You can take the screenshot and you can write later on, or if you want to write along with me, I am giving you 2 minutes time to note down. I am not in front of the board, so you can pause the screen or write, or you can take a screenshot also. There are 11 new words of the chapter which you have heard first time in the chapter. One request is there, dear students, write with good handwriting. I will not accept any dirty work, any dirty handwriting. Okay? Understand? Hope you understand well. Now I am going to rub it and we will do the next part. Okay. So this is the new words of the chapter. Now take the correct answer. Take the correct answer or option. Okay, let's see what is number 1. Fruits and vegetables are food which are number 1, not able to see, you can see in the book. Okay. Now I am going to rub this and I will write the last one. Number 3. Hope you take the screenshot. Otherwise you can pause the screen also. There are so many options. Number 3, which one is non-vegetarian food? Number 3, which one is non-vegetarian food? Which one is non-vegetarian food? Non-vegetarian food कौन सा है? Bread, rice and fish. There are 3 options. So fish, number C, fish is the right answer. Fish is a non-vegetarian food. Okay, so here we are completing your exercise number 1. Take the correct answer. I am not in front of the screen. Take the screenshot फटाफट. Otherwise you can pause screen. Screen रोक के भी लिख सकते हो आप. Okay, now exercise number 2. Match the food item with their sources. ये वाला exercise I am giving you as an homework. Exercise number 2 ये वाला मैं आपको homework में दे रही हूँ. बहुत easy है. आपको food item को उसके source से match करना है ना? Very easy, you can do it. I will not give you any clue. मैं आपको कोई भी clue नहीं दे रही हूँ कैसे करना है. बस one clue दे रही हूँ कि हमें milk कौन देता है? Who will give us milk? Cow will give us milk, है ना? Then exercise number 3 and question answer we will do in the next class. जो आगे की क्लास होगी उस क्लास में हम दोनों एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे. एक्सरसाइज नंबर fill in the blanks C and exercise number D. D means question and the answers. They we will do in the next class. Okay. So बेटा I am not making the big videos. वरना मुझे पता है कि आप 40 मिनट के वीडियो को आगे बढ़ा के 4-5 मिनट में खत्म कर देंगे. That is the reason I am not going to make the big videos 30, 40, 50 minutes. No. That will makes you bore. वो आपको बोर कर देंगे. ठीक है? So whatever we have done today, note is in your notebook with good handwriting. और आपको उसको अच्छे handwriting में लिखना है. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर भी लिखना है और न्यू वर्ड्स भी लिखना है. ठीक है? क्योंकि I know very well that you are lost your writing habit. आपकी writing speed और आपकी writing habit थोड़ी सी कम हो गई है. इसलिए हम जितनी भी एक्सरसाइज है वो सारी एक्सरसाइज कोशिश करेंगे कि कॉपी में नोट करें ताकि आप लोग कुछ तो लिखें, आपकी राइटिंग हैबिट बनी रहे और आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम भी ना हो. ओके, सो टिल देन कीप योरसेल्फ फिट एंड फाइन, डू रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज, ड्रिंक प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर एंड कीप योरसेल्फ फिट. इट्स बाय बाय फ्रॉम माय साइड. लव यू बच्चा पार्टी. बाय.